You might be doing everything right for your skin, or at least, it feels that way. You've got the cleansers, the serums, the moisturizers, maybe even a skincare fridge. But despite all that effort, your skin still breaks out, or just looks tired and dull. What's going wrong? Chances are, you're making a few small but powerful skincare mistakes, without even realizing it. In this video, we'll break down the 5 most common skincare mistakes and exactly how to fix them, so your skin can finally start to glow. Mistake number 1. Overwashing your face. It might seem like washing more often will keep your skin clean and acne-free, but that's not how it works. Cleansing too much strips away your skin's natural oils, which are there to protect and balance your skin barrier. And when those oils are gone, your skin goes into panic mode and starts producing even more oil to compensate. The result, you end up with even greasier skin and more frequent breakouts. So in trying to get rid of the problem, you may actually be making it worse. Mistake number 2. Skipping sunscreen. A lot of people think sunscreen is only for sunny days or beach trips, but UV rays are always there, even when it's cloudy or you're indoors. When you skip SPF, you leave your skin unprotected against sun damage, which speeds up aging, causes dark spots, and breaks down collagen over time. Even worse, if you're treating acne or using active ingredients like retinol or exfoliants, your skin becomes even more sensitive to sunlight. That means you're more likely to undo all your hard work, without even realizing it. Daily sunscreen isn't optional, it's essential. Mistake number 3. Using too many products. More isn't always better. Layering several serums and creams can irritate your skin, clog pores, and cause breakouts. Mixing too many actives like acids or retinol can damage your skin barrier instead of helping it. Stick to a simple routine: cleanse, moisturize, and protect with sunscreen. If you're adding a new product, do it slowly, one at a time. Remember, skincare isn't about how many products you use, it's about what works for your skin. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and let your natural glow shine through. Mistake number 4. Sleeping with makeup. Sleeping with makeup is one of the biggest skincare mistakes. Throughout the day, your skin collects dirt, oil, and pollutants, and when you don't remove your makeup, it traps all of that on your face overnight. This clogs your pores, causes breakouts, irritates the skin, and speeds up signs of aging like fine lines and dullness. Even waterproof or non-comedogenic makeup can cause damage if left on too long. That's why double cleansing is essential. First with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup, then a gentle water-based cleanser to remove any leftover residue. It takes just a few minutes but makes a huge difference. Let your skin breathe. Mistake number 5. Using the wrong products for your skin type. Skincare isn't one size fits all. Using products made for oily skin when you have dry or sensitive skin can lead to irritation or breakouts. And heavy creams on oily skin. That can clog pores and make things worse. Know your skin type, oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, and choose products that match. For example, oily skin needs lightweight, oil-free formulas, while dry skin needs deep hydration. Using the right products helps your skin stay balanced, healthy, and glowing. Mistake number 6. Expecting instant results. In the age of quick fixes and viral skincare trends, it's easy to believe that one serum or one mask can change your skin overnight. But real results take time. Your skin renews itself slowly, usually every 28 to 40 days, so changes happen gradually. Constantly switching products or routines just resets the process and delays progress. Be patient. Good skin is built with consistency, not shortcuts.